Hello from my kitchen, and welcome to the last part of the class. I hope you had a lovely spring break. Mine was just too cold, but got some things done, had some rest, and welcome back. This week's assignment is a trifold folder. I have that loaded on Canvas, and I have a template for you. We'll get to that a little later. But as usual, first thing we do is going to be the weekly review. And a lot of you did really well. Some of them, we have some conceptual issues. So we'll show you. Okay. We have on this one, it looks good. But less than 30,000, is this your annual income? I don't know. Average cost is 8,000. Are these bars for a, I don't understand exactly what the point is. Average costs, again, is this your home income? I'm not sure. So we're just kind of missing a label here. All right. Use numbers from her own bill. That's good. I think that's a really good graph. We just need a total. You needed to put that in. But yeah, you can see where it goes. Just people don't like to add this up in their own head. Based on that, okay. Average cost, see. And again, there's not one way to do it. In state and out of state, this pretty much says it. Now, this is tuition and fees, minor quibble there. Undergraduate tuition. Okay, we have it year by year. And I guess that's, what do the different bars mean? I assume that's in-state and out-of-state. Here it is, in-state and out-of-state. Okay, you did it. Nope, that's pretty good. And it shows, you see, it's an interesting scale. This one doesn't really show much of an increase. Maybe that's a good thing. Other ones have shown more of an increase. There's average costs. See, this one's looking like it's showing more of an increase, but this isn't by year, this is by income. See, lots of different ways to look at these things. Here, okay, pretty much the same graph. Again, doesn't show, hold on. History view, zoom in. The previous one had these two as about, okay, no, we have an extra year in there as I look close. Okay, pretty much the same. And it's okay that if you use the same program. Hello. Why is it going? Okay. Nice. Very good. Again, remember when make something, dress it up. This is really good. In-state, out-of-state, total. Okay, we have a total here. Excellent. You nailed that one. Zoom out. Okay, here's another way of looking at it. And semester per year, is that for this year? Not sure. So it's interesting to me that it looks like if you pay by year, you're saving money. That's an interesting way to look at it. Let's see, here's that arrow now. There's one after this. Okay, nice again, use of color. In state, out of state, you're one, you're, okay. I think this is good. Out of state, border state, we do have that difference. And, you know, I'm not sure about having one set of bars going one way and one set going the other, but it works. Very nice again. Interesting that y'all use very similar graphics, but that's okay. Real straightforward, using a table. Very understandable. Some people who use bars, this is nothing wrong with using a table. Again, not one way to do this. Okay. Living with parents, that's a lot of information here. All right, not living. Okay, enrollment fees, books overall. I might make the totals bold here, but no, you got the everyone seems to have the idea. Okay. We need, okay, we have some real layout or graphic design issues. Bold labels here and a light label up above. They're kind of fighting for attention. This needs to be bold on top. Says it all. We need a total. In stay, out of stay, is this per year or per semester? Okay. Meal plans, that's fine. I think there's a lot of good information here. Do these totals, and I'm just looking at this, do these totals add up? See, where do these fit in to the totals? Just a lot of information, but they don't really all go together. Woo, a lot of stuff here. I like the idea. 40,000 a year. It's interesting how you all come up with different costs. And that's part of this assignment because there's not one way to look at it. Okay, and stay. Okay, location of current residence. Shouldn't that be what the costs are? Should just say costs. Location of current resident should be over here, I would think. So it's a little confusing. Okay, fees, all of that. Again, we need a total. Today we're looking at kind of wordy down here. You could present that a little stronger graphically. Also, we have a light headline here and a bold one here. Where do you look first? We have to not forget our graphic design. Okay, we need a headline. Nothing wrong with a table. That's fine. We need a headline, and this could be smaller. Okay, we're back. We've done the circle. Again, the big thing here is there's not one way to tell the story. There's not one way to present it, and there's no real number of how much it costs. So I find that really interesting. Welcome to infographics. Next video, we will talk about this week's assignment.